So now I'm going to explain or give an example about conditional proposition. So here's a scenario. Bea is a third-year nursing student preparing for her upcoming final exam. During a class orientation, her professor announces,
Class, if you complete all 200 hours of your clinical rotation, then you will be eligible to take the final exam.
Do you think I can take the exam? So remember what our professor said. Professor said that if you complete all 200 hours, then you can take the final exam. You should check with the coordinator to see if you can make up those hours.
So in this scenario, the conditional proposition acts as a guideline for eligibility, emphasizing the importance of completing clinical requirements to progress in the nursing program. So now we move on to disjunctive proposition. So here's a scenario.
So you can either submit your case study on hypertension or present a report on diabetes management to pass this requirement.
Miss, I'll be the one to present a case study of hypertension.
Okay.
Miss, I will be the one to report about diabetes management.
Okay. Go.
So Chawi, a nursing student, decides she prefers research over public speaking. She submits the case study on hypertension to fulfill the requirement. Meanwhile, her classmate Bea, who enjoys public presentation, chooses to present a report on diabetes management. Both satisfy the requirement, as only one of the alternatives need to be true for the proposition to hold. Now we move on to conjunctive, which is the last one. So here's a scenario.
Hey, you cannot administer medications and review the patient's chart at the same time as both require your full attention. So you should always check the chart before you administer.
So Bea, a nursing student, remembers this advice during her clinical rotation. When preparing to administer a patient's medication, she sets the chart aside to focus solely the task at hand. Later, she reviews the chart to document the administration and verify the next steps in care, ensuring both tasks are done safely and accurately.
So that ends our discussion on hypothetical proposition.
Bye!
Bye!